Okay, I'm going to talk you through everything that comes in the box of the Polti Cimex Eradicator, and then we'll take a look at how to get started actually using the machine. Here we have the body of the unit. This obviously contains the boiler. Next, we have a little sheet with some safety tips that we always suggest to take a look at before getting started. Moving on, we have the hose. This plugs into the body of the machine. And this is the steam disinfector nozzle, and this is where the superheated dry steam comes out. A couple basics. We have the wheels that attach to the base of the machine here, and then a little funnel that can be used to fill up the boiler. A couple key accessories, especially on a job. First, we have a couple connection accessories. They concentrate the flow of the steam, and this curved one in particular can be useful for getting into difficult cracks and corners when you're on the job. Here we have HP Med. This is a natural detergent that you can plug into the nozzle. It combines with the steam to both sanitize, deodorize, and also breaks down the glue-like substance of the bedbug eggs. A couple accessories here for upkeep. First, we have a brush here that you can use to clean out both the nozzle and the hose of the Eradicator. And next, CalStop. It's a decalcifier. We recommend using it every once in a while in the boiler just to break down any lime scale and make sure it's running smoothly, and it also helps extend the life of the boiler. These are the safety gloves. We recommend always putting them on before you get started, even when you're setting up the machine, which we're going to take a look at right now. Unscrew the patented safety cap and fill the boiler with about 65 fluid ounces of water using the filler funnel. After filling the boiler, screw the safety cap back on tightly. Next, connect the power supply cable to a grounded outlet. After plugging it in, press the generator on-off switch and the accessories on-off switch, which will both light up together with the pressure indicator light. Wait until the steam pressure indicator light goes out. In the meantime, open up the cover of the central connector block and insert the central connector, pressing the connector button. Now wait until the heating lamp turns off. Once it does, the Polti Cimex Eradicator is ready for use. The handle is fitted with a safety switch to prevent the accidental activation of steam delivery by children or people unaware of its function. Move it to one side or the other to either activate or deactivate the trigger. You can use the connection accessories to narrow and concentrate the steam jet. First, insert and rotate the accessory until it locks into place. For normal treatments, use the straight extension accessory. You can use the curved extension accessory to access any hard-to-reach places. If you would like to use the HP Med detergent, simply remove the empty vial placeholder from the nozzle, remove the cap from the HP Med bottle, insert the wick into the opening before attaching the bottle back into the nozzle. You can now use the nozzle as normal, and the HP Med detergent will combine with the steam. The appliance is equipped with a patented safety cap, which prevents opening of the generator boiler tank as long as there is any pressure remaining inside. When the boiler runs out of water, this is indicated by a warning light here. When you've used up all the water in the boiler, proceed as follows. First, switch off the machine at the generator on-off switch. Next, pull the steam delivery trigger of the steam disinfector nozzle until all steam flow ceases. Next, switch off the accessory on and off switch, and you can unscrew the patented safety cap. Unplug the power supply cable from the electrical outlet, and you're done. Okay, now you have everything you need to get started using the Polti Cimex Eradicator. If you have any other questions, please visit our website at poltieradicator.com.